Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
For me, I think said that the very day Equapin Polo's sorry for name persona. She had a name. The aim was very simple. Say that very day no be trend, be breaking internet.
Okay.
Dear Obe Pusuno be generate a lot of conversation across the whole Ghana. And she also knew very well say a few been a bit front on it, but generally no. The main aim was break the internet, get people talking, get few followers, and that's it. That was the main purpose. And Intina, like Chrissy said, no, because of this aim, and it's not contracted a professional photographer to actually come in and take the photograph. And Intina, because of this same aim, and Intina will take the shine off the sun. Because that particular moment, was supposed to be for the boy.
Okay.
But because Osorio and Opani, he had a purpose: break the internet, generate conversation, win a few followers or more. And Intina will take the moment away from the sun. Because if we are being critical about it, that particular day or moment will belong to one person, the boy.
Yeah.
And see the messaging, the photograph, whatever the that day in Nibiana was supposed to be dedicated to the boy. And see, in another setting, what she could have done was take photo shoots. No, should be just on the boy.
Okay.
Because on any birthday, and see, unya be 3 or 4 photographs. They come pano. No idea. No afa. Now there are 2 pages, and then you put whatever touching message you want to project under the photo. That's how it was supposed to be. That's how the NHS say it was about the boy.
Okay.
But because Osorio and Opano focus boy was not in it. It was a prop. Send a movies you saw Kolan as props.
Okay.
For no any benefit. But guess what? At the end of the day, Osorio and Opano he had pep or aim. You be saying was the aim was he achieved? Capital yes. Because within at the ACN, it's been like 3 or 4 days, maybe on a few days. We are still talking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, remember, within a few seconds or minutes or days or release, the circulation was massive. At the end, circulating more than it was faster than the speed of light, all over the place. And so the aim has been achieved along the line because it's been reported across 150,000 more followers.
Yeah, on Instagram.
So she's been the center of conversations all over. I'm sure and shows a walk across Ghana, everybody would mention the Equapin Polo. Now, this is what she did not anticipate. Sir Obenya widespread condemnation. Because no a few others be there. So she expected that one. The one expecting a widespread condemnation. Because so compare almost with a lot of disdain and support on Kitwebi. You can actually count on your fingertips those who are actually supporting. Like if you're Domomu tweeting in support of Kakrebi. But generally, everybody is condemning. Let's also be candid. Say, under any normal circumstance, any other day, if that photograph now generated a lot of conversation and a lot of severe backlash for her, to the sense of why she's so overwhelmed, it's in the first apology they didn't cut it. So she had to come and do another apology. That tells you the extent of condemnation also in the last few days. Now, under any day, if Saka photo now generated so much backlash, Saka like we said, we will not be here. You know why? Because over the period, we've seen the same Equapin Polo display such obscenity on the page. After the sense, quite recently, a month ago or so, no didn't bear them. Did you not see something similar? Half decade or just a red robe, so also a new. You get it, and it's been constant. Oh yeah, Equapin Polo, if you are. We've seen others. Other female celebs, socialites, video vixens.
I know. I say that picture no or in red, or channel Val's Day, or
Val's Day, but the birthday no or
another similar one.
Yes, or similar one. So Saka, ekoye no kwan, ekoye focuser. I'm not sure we'll be having the discussion. The biggest mistake and the question has already gone, but let me reiterate. The biggest mistake was actually to involve Nakwala in that photograph, and that is why you actually have an institution like Child's Rights International coming in, because we show more letter now, they are concerned about just one thing: the child. And you have another institution like the Ministry of Gender, and Social Defense and Protection, and also a release a letter over her head. Now, when you read the letter critically, almost focus back on Akwalano. So I'm not sure Sanka will be bargaining over what, because as about a new normal, but the involvement of the kid, again, the biggest mistake. And so Kwesi talked about what the Akola is going through, and that's the most critical bit, because traumatic psychological trauma or the Akola na shame, you say you're Akola team to actually figure it out. Again, the other thing is probably he failed to mention, why expose Akola to bullying or teasing in the school, and that's why I'm not too excited to say even the second video, an apology, no Sandy Akola beam. Because he's pushing him out there, and like he said, no, team no Babeka. He doesn't know the enormity of some media now. So apart from the psychological trauma, he did not come in what he did not to public domain or be he's also exposing the kid to some level of bullying and teasing in settings, because 7-year-olds, they are no staff. They do phones, so wahab boy and papa, and that's the reason why you have the likes of Child International and Ministry always to focus on the kid. Now, my main focus on whether the apology is enough or is not. And Brakwisi was right with regards to the wiser comparison. You see, over the period, so you're saying who be from the likes of Kobolo to who baby are from Christabel Keasima working. Baby are from Wedi. But I see ignorance of the law is your excuse. The fact said baby are from Akemukono. If we're not a barena, why should we I didn't say JJ. Let's test the law. Yes, apology is fine, and that is why you see even the first apology, she's trying to justify it. So a artistic impression, then pornography, a artistic impression. Pornography is also a form of artistic expression. First apology now cutting, and second apology way back, and slightly Brakus may know when you're at this point say apology no any genuine, genuine because like I said no criticism no I am more. And see, clearly, Orban, he didn't know, say, Ebeko left, where everybody will be criticizing. See, the baby letters will be written over her head. She didn't anticipate that. And see, I can understand, I can sympathize with her with the second apology because of how severe the backlash has been. Okay, cool.
About and genuine for me. Because this whole thing, even the apology is also part of the stunt. Sana mi hunu say
okay, so it's preconceived
exactly say because on him say look adewe bana say ye ka say tia oba be patch up or patch a child panokra no a part of the package, and I'm sure you have been in this game. Yes. You understand, so that's what I'm saying say enye genuine for me because mi hunu say na ka package
I understand, I totally understand. So for you before obe not why
do you understand?
No, what he's saying, so no expressing your opinion. So I understand the opinion that he's expressing. Say you can pull over that before that day, no one had a plan. Say Messi. Say backlash. I'll come back and apologize. Okay, so apology according to Christino is part of the entire package, which slightly I disagree.
So apology is so called
viral.
Yes, and then the whole club is any apology, man.
Still I disagree. So you understand my point now. I understand your opinion, but I do not agree, especially with the last point, because me sure me feel say first apology could have been part of the stunt, because first apology she made justification. So when the artistic and the men banner crown, but I'm fan because backlash ni at once on can say insult. I'm for did that term or share captions. Unfortunately for her too, she's a social media person. Once say you movie or her, yeah, the BB to social media and I say BB contact social media, we do not care. At the day we don't mind. You could see myself so great Christianness. A lot of the insults in the day but we but unfortunately for her, because she's a social media freak, so she's paying attention to all the insults.
Yeah.
It's bloggers come man frivolous captions in it's
and she's also responding to some of the insults anyway.
Exactly. It's clearly affecting because sometimes we some of the insults but you be tempted to respond.
Yeah.
But so you if you
but I know the insult the person say you effect is because let's say I don't think that people, just like you said, you use your idea example.
Yeah.
Me, sure, say people like Ikrafin Polo.
They care.
It's not, I mean, okay about insult. About your Mudina time,
But see, we no side incident we another episode we no. I'm mad they no high. With
the insults cry it be Nigeria you didn't tell me. They didn't tell baby.
Yes. To me fan compare previous ones. This is a high level of insult. It's less me I still think we should test the law. Still forgive her because massa any first time I will be saying anytime I may baby especially ministry of I'll close my
gender,
ministry of gender for statements. They mentioned two friends act the Child Rights Act
1998
criminal code and I say criminal and other offences act
1960.
So any question I'll be saying and say that's it my way. We've seen a lot of stuff go on. If we are admitting to the fact say yes yen tested law no and still accept the apology no, it means that ministry no more jumaye. Because once they are quoting the criminal code and that's a criminal and other offences act, it means it's almost they are question almost be and almost on baby now so be they should not just wait.
But I know me minister no I think is a deputy minister or hate I would say she's not on social media.
I also listen and then I also listen to that interview and how do I say it?
On social media.
Deputy Minister for Gender and Social.
But she was able to say something that would you understand?
So the question was okay, what who Nanama McBrown video been cover
and then the banner there no.
Also but along the conversation she was able to describe vividly a video.
Exactly. So she was not truthful.
She was not being truthful.
So clearly she follows. Me point is simple. Abide the boy teaching no, you make sure say the ball ban right. Is that how they say? It's as simple as that.
All right.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.